Hello and welcome to this test data automation tutorial on generating complex datasets using pairwise generation methods. The first step here is to navigate to your Activity Explorer and create a new data activity for complex dataset. Give your data activity a memorable name and description and create the activity. Before we get started with configuring the activity, we first need to download and view our example set of data states. To do this, scroll down and on the right hand side under the Actions tab, you'll see the option to download the sample data states list. Select your server and run the process, and once this job completes, you will be able to download the results and view that example data states list. This example is all about disk combinations. You'll see we have 6 different data points: type, size, format method, file system, cluster size, and compression. And each one of these data points has various different values or different data states. We're going to use the pairwise generation method to make complex sets of data utilizing these existing sets of data. Now, if we navigate back to your data activity, the first thing to do is to import that example data states into a list and append it to the activity. So we'll select the server, fill out the list name, description, and application name. Then you have 2 options. You can either navigate into your folder and pick up that downloaded file, or you can paste the data states directly from the text file into this final field. Now press execute. You'll see that job has complete. So now if we go back to your data activities and refresh the page, you'll see that those example data states have now been added to your component list. To see what's happened here, we can open up this first one for type, where we now have a data set with 1 column, which is our type, and lots of different options. And now we can come in back to the data activity and configure the test strategy we want to follow. To do this, press Edit. Here we have 3 different configuration settings. You can find more information about what these do exactly in the description below. For now, let's keep the defaults, press OK, and now we can come in and actually build the complex data set. We'll select the server and just set up the test strategy name. In this case, we're doing it with 2 combinations. And what I want to do is create a CSV so that we can download it and have a look at it afterwards. That job completes, and you'll see that we've created 98 rows of data. If we download the results and open up the CSV, you can see the result. Now you've created one data set, have a go with editing the test strategy, perhaps adding more combinations or decreasing the maximum number of tests allowed. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your Curiosity representative.